How to change the home screen style on your Moto G phone with Android 15. So whether you want the home screen with the app tray or basically have all the apps on your home screen without the app tray. The fastest way to these settings is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this here. This will show up and you'll go to where it says Home Settings right here. As you enter here, you'll see Home Screen Style, this option here. Tapping on this one time will take you to the options that will allow you to choose whether you will have the one with the app tray or the one that shows all the apps on the home screen. So the app tray option would be your default settings. You can also tap here and have these other app tray options, suggestions on home screen, and add app icons to home screen. So basically, if you install a new app, not only will it show up in your app tray, but also in the home screen as well. And for those of you who don't know, the app tray basically is this here. When you swipe up like this here, that's your app tray. So we'll go back here quickly once again, and we'll go back here. Now, if you decide to go with this one here, the bottom option with all the apps on the home screen, you go with that. And you can tap on the settings there to see other options such as free arrangement or the autofill. So free basically lets you arrange the apps however you want on your home screen. The autofill basically, once you have a new installed app, which will go only on your home screen, it will fill in the next position available for you. And that's what that basically does. So you can come back and change these at any given time. Also with the home screen only, you won't have that swipe up app drawer. You'll now just have that search thing. You see how this thing appears as a search to search for apps instead of the app drawer. All right, so that's basically it for this guide. Like and sub.